It is a beautiful day out today, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on the pool patio and trying out this new portable pressure washer from VEVOR. Now, I have never seen a portable pressure washer before that's completely self-contained and that is this compact when you're transporting it around. So let me show you how this thing works. You're going to get 3 different tips. They have different spray patterns that come out of the center here. See that brass? And then they have little scrubby brushes on the edge, and you get 3 of them. So I got the green one installed on the handle. You're also going to get a retractable hose that's going to pull out from the front there with your spray nozzle. And so you can be able to scrub with this because you've got this here, or you can just spray with it, and you're going to depress this trigger to do that. And it retracts right back inside the unit when you're done working. Really cool how that works. It's got a carry handle here for you to be able to lift this around, take it with you. On the back is your power button as well as the charge port. Standard USB-C, so you can charge this up. Self-contained battery all built in. But where does the water go? This is what's really ingenious. This is just a loose cover here to keep it water inside, but it's not going to be watertight. You're going to just lift the base, lift the top over the base, and it's going to extend up and give you a container to put your water in. It's got a built-in filter down in here, so any debris drops in there by mistake won't get sucked up, won't get jammed. It's rubber all throughout here. I'm going to fill this with water, set my top back on there just so it doesn't splash around. And we're ready to go. Now I got a couple chairs with some mildew on them, and I'm going to see how this works to pressure wash the mildew right off of those chairs. The power button on the back. Here, start to pressurize. These chairs have a bunch of mildew on the bottom. I'm hoping the pressure wash will take it out. I'm afraid to bleach these. This is a little bit too wide of a span. I'm going to put the needle nose on instead. There we go. Nice. I like the ability to be able to pressure wash and scrub. And that is definitely working. Where I can see this, see all this crud here? Wiped it away here. Nice. Perfect. That was just what I was hoping for. Is it just got some growth on here, but it's not something I want to clean with a chemical. So a scrubbing pressure washer like this is just what I needed to do the job. So got some more work to do to finish this up. Got a bunch down here, but boy, it's going to look a lot better. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this portable pressure washer from VEVOR. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.